Good morning and welcome to Forex Club TV. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2009. I'm Remy with your Forex Club market update. The US dollar is seeing strength against the majors as we head into Friday's session. Now, the greenback has been able to recoup some of the losses it's seen against the majors this week. And what we're seeing on this Friday morning may be attributed to technical corrections or profit taking as traders look ahead to next week. We will be getting the Fed Reserve's meeting next Wednesday, and Japan is also preparing for their three-day holiday weekend. Here in the U.S. on this Friday afternoon, the equity markets may see some volatility due to the quadruple witching. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is currently higher by about 50 points. And in the spot FX market, euro-dollar has come off its 2009 highs after touching 1.4737 in the previous session. We'll take a closer look at euro-dollar. And in the short-term trading, central analysts do say the upside does prevail for this pair. Now, daily technical indicators do remain positive and don't show any reversal signs. The preference of analysts over at Trading Central is that as long as the pivot of 1.42 is not broken on the downside, then they do favor an up move with targets standing at 1.4930, followed by 1.5290 in extension. Now, alternatively, only the downside breakout of that pivot of 142 will invalidate the bullish scenario. In that case, they will look for a decline that will shape towards 1.3750 first, followed by 1.3450. And moving on to the dollar-yen pair, in the short term, it is under pressure. Now, daily technical indicators are bearish for the dollar against the Japanese currency, but are close to supports. Now, Trading Central analysts prefer as long as 95, which is currently the pivot. If that is not broken to the upside, then they do favor a down move with targets standing at 89.80 and then 87 in extension. Now, alternatively, only the upside breakout of that pivot of 95 will invalidate the bearish scenario. And in that case, they will be looking for a recovery that could shape towards the 98 level at first, followed by 10150. And last but not least, let's take a look at the euro-yen cross. On an intraday basis, the bias does remain bullish. Now, the pair has rebounded on its support and is approaching its next resistance. Trading Central analysts do prefer long positions above the pivot of 1.3375, with targets standing at 1.3465, followed by 1.34.95 in extension. Now, alternatively, below that pivot of 1.3375, Trading Central analysts do look for further downside, with targets standing at 1.3325 and 1.3280 in extension. And that wraps it up for today's Forex Club Market Update. Make sure to join us on Monday for your latest in Forex news and have a great weekend.